This miracle pill can burn fat fast. Guys, on today's episode of LiveLeanTV, I'm answering the question, does green coffee bean extract work for weight loss? So these are questions from our hashtag LLTV Q&A series that we filmed for this channel back in 2012. So first, I'm gonna share my answer from 2012, then I'm gonna answer the question again with my thoughts today. But first, let's talk about the past hype surrounding the green coffee bean extract supplement. Now, this fat-burning supplement, and I quote, fat-burning supplement, first went mainstream after Dr. Oz hyped it up not once, but twice on his popular television show, Dr. Oz. Now, based on the segment titles of his show, they were called, I think, The Fat Burner That Works. And then another segment was called The Answer to Weight Loss. Because of that, sales of the green coffee bean extract went through the roof. Now, this also led to people digging deeper into these claims that, I quote, this miracle pill can burn fat fast. So back in 2012, one of my viewers asked me about my thoughts on Dr. Oz's green coffee bean extract weight loss claims. So before I share that clip, be sure to keep watching to the end of this video as I'll update my thoughts that you're gonna find very interesting. So first, let's flash back to 2012. Green coffee bean theory from Dr. Oz. Is this something that can help you lose weight? I have respect for Dr. Oz. You know, he's a good guy. I like his Eastern methods of preventing things. But at the end of the day, yes, it's a TV show. They have to have these big headlines. But come on, let's be realistic here, guys. If this was a magic pill, it would be hugely marketed right now. Everybody would know about it, and the stock prices would be through the roof. He did a study with his audience, and I guess they did it for 2 weeks. Half the audience did a placebo, and the other half did the green bean theory. So the people who did the green bean supplement had to track the foods that they're eating. So they're doing a food diary. What do you think happens when somebody does a food diary? They track their food so they won't binge on bad foods. And these people actually, I think, lost on average 1 or 2 pounds a week. So if you know anything about personal training or fitness or anything, an average weight loss of a good diet and exercising is about 1 to 2 pounds a week. So these guys didn't have extraordinary results by any stretch. So you know what, to cut it off short, it may have some antioxidant benefits to it, it may help boost your metabolism, but as I mentioned before, spend your money on real foods and move your bodies, work out. Follow my workout plans, follow my cooking shows on Brad's Cookbook. All right, let's fast forward now. Here's my answer today, which is 7 years later, and my answer is still the same. But here's what I found was interesting. During my recent research, I was trying to find the videos and like the blog posts on Dr. Oz's websites that linked to these green coffee bean extract segments from his show. Now, I gotta be real, no sign of any of these videos were found on his websites. All the links that I could find on Dr. Oz's websites now lead to dead pages. So if you click on green coffee bean on his site, it leads to a dead page. But I did find this one post. It said, in prior seasons, we covered green coffee extract and its potential as a useful tool for weight loss. Recently, the authors of the peer-reviewed research paper on which our coverage had been partially based formally retracted the study. While this sometimes happens in scientific research, it indicates that further study is needed regarding any potential benefits of green coffee bean extract. So, not only were the experiments that were conducted by Dr. Oz heavily criticized as being flawed, the initial study of green coffee bean extract had serious variable control problems with it. Plus, the author of that study was paid for by the producer of green bean extract. Now, the FTC claimed that the researchers manipulated the data and the study was so hopelessly flawed that no reliable conclusions could be drawn from it. So guys, bottom line here, I feel like a broken record. Don't waste your money on miracle weight loss supplements. Miracle weight loss pills, they don't exist. Here's the true answer to weight loss. Follow a properly structured workout program. Eat delicious, healthy foods that fit within your energy needs. And guess what the last one is? Sleep.
That's the true answer to weight loss. No more shortcuts. So if you need help with making this a lifestyle, guys, go check out our Team Live Lean community. We give you everything you need to make this a healthy and sustainable lifestyle. And I'll put the link in the video description down below. So here's the questions for you guys. Leave it in the comment section below. Have you tried green bean coffee extract? Also, what is your best tip for sustainable weight loss? Guys, if you enjoyed this video, do me a favor and smack that like button and click the subscribe button for more videos like this. Thank you guys so much for watching and keep living lean. Bye.